Set 6. Question number 1. Which of the following number has the terminating decimal expansion? Okay, for terminal and decimal expansion, no, the denominator should be 2, 4, 5 and 8. Okay, first option can't be, second option also can't be. Okay, so correct answer will be option 3, 2 upon 5. Question number 2. What is the value of root 144? Okay, so x is equal to 144. If I take square on the other side, it will be x is equal to plus or minus root 144. Then what I will do, I will remove factors of 144. Okay, so I have removed factors, okay, here. Okay, and those factors I have written over here. So x is equal to plus or minus root 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3. Okay, so if we have in a pair, no, so one time we have to write. Okay, so 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3. Okay, so if I multiply, final answer will be 12. Question number 3. If minus 1 is a 0 of 2x raised to 3 minus a x raised to 2 plus 3, then value of a, we need to find the value of a. What is the value of x here? Value of x is minus 1. Okay, then I have to substitute that into that equation. Let's do it. So x is equal to minus 1. Okay, so the equation was given 2x raised to 3 minus a x raised to 2 plus 3 is equal to 0. Then I will substitute the value of x. Okay, after solving I will get the value of a as 1. So the final answer will be 1. If question number 4, if x raised to 215 plus 217 is divided by x minus 1, then the remainder is, okay, here we have to solve this sum. Okay, let's do it. Okay, here p of x was given x raised to 215 plus 217 and x minus 1 is equal to 0. Okay, so from there I will get x is equal to 1, positive 1. Okay, so that I will substitute in that in place of value x is given, no, I will substitute over there. Okay, after substituting that, okay, so 1 raised to 215, it seems to be a very big number, no, but it is actually, it is not. Okay, you have to multiply 1 multiplied by 1 by 215 times. Okay, so if you multiply, you will get only 1 only. Okay, so 1 plus 217 will be 218. So final answer will be 218. Question number 5. Euclid's postulates are applicable to all. Correct answer will be all geometrical figures. Question number 6. If angle PCT is an exterior angle of triangle PBC, if angle PCT is 128 and angle PBC is equal to 71, and then angle PBC is equal to, okay, so this we will do. Okay, students, I have drawn the triangle. Okay, and the exterior angle PCT is equal to 128. Okay, so an angle PBC is given 71. Okay, so I need to find angle PBC. Okay, so and we know what the exterior angle is equal to the sum of two interior opposite angle. What it means, angle 4 is equal to angle 1 plus angle 2. Okay, so in this case angle 4 will be 128. Okay, and angle 2 will be 71. Okay, and angle 1 is angle BPC. Okay, so I have written over here. Okay, so 128 is equal to 71 plus angle BPC. Okay, 71 I have taken on other side. Okay, after subtracting I am getting 57, so my final answer will be 57. Question number 7. The angle formed between two parallel lines but on the same side of transversal are, okay, so two parallel lines are drawn and one transversal. Okay, so angle formed on the same side of a transversal. Okay, the angle formed on the same side of a transversal will be what? Interior supplementary angle. Okay. Question number 8. In triangle CTD, angle C is equal to 80, CT is equal to CD, and TO and DO are two bisector of angle T and D respectively. Okay, so therefore the angle of TOD will be what? Okay, for this I will need to draw a drawing. Okay, so that you all can understand better. Okay, I have drawn the drawing. Okay, so only it is given as CT is equal to CD. Okay, so it is what kind of triangle? It is an isosceles triangle. So two sides are equal, so the base angle will be also equal. Angle T is equal to angle D, so I am taking it as X. Okay, so in triangle CTD, okay, so angle C plus angle T plus angle D is equal to 180. Why? Angle sum property of a triangle. So angle C is 80. Okay, and in place of T and X I will write X plus X. Okay, so X plus X will be 2X. Okay, so 80 if I take on the other side it will be a minus. Okay, so 2X is equal to 100, so X is equal to 100 upon 2. If you cancel, X is equal to 50. So angle T is equal to angle D is equal to 50. But in the question they have asked us what? Angle TOD. Okay, so we need to find angle TOD. So angle OTD is equal to half of angle T. Why I have written that? In question they have given us TO is a bisector. Okay, bisector of angle T. Okay, means half multiplied by angle T. Okay, so half multiplied by 50. Okay, if you cancel you will get angle OTD is equal to 25. Same way angle ODT is equal to half of angle D. Why? DO is a bisector of angle D. Okay, so if you cancel you will get the angle OTD is equal to 25. Okay, in triangle TDO. Okay, TDO. Okay, so I will write angle TOD plus angle OTD plus angle ODT is equal to 180. Why? Angle sum property of a triangle. Okay, so angle TOD is equal to 25 plus 25 is equal to 180. Okay, if I add 25 plus 25 it will be 50. If I take 50 on the other side it will be minus 50. Okay, so angle TOD is equal to 130. So final answer will be 130. Question number 9. If the diagonal of a quadrilateral are equal and perpendicular to each other, then the figure is a square. Okay, we'll go to question number 10. Okay, the value of sine 90 is, this is very easy answer, so answer will be 1. Okay, question number 11. Okay, so we need to in the figure cos theta. Okay, what is the definition of cos? Definition of cos is adjacent upon hypotenuse. Okay, so which is your adjacent side? Okay, adjacent side is given here is 4, and which is your hypotenuse side? Root 41. So the cos theta will be 4 upon 41. So cos theta is equal to adjacent side upon hypotenuse side is equal to 4 upon root 41. So this will be your answer. Okay, question number 12. Every composite number has at least 3 factors. Question number 13. If a minus b is equal to 8 and a square plus b square is equal to 162, then the value of a raised to 3 minus b raised to 3. Okay, a raised to 3 minus b raised to 3, this is a 10th identity. Okay, so let's do this. Okay, so a raised to 3 minus b raised to 3 we need to find. Okay, so using 10th identity, so a raised to 3 minus b raised to 3 is equal to a minus b bracket a raised to 2 plus b raised to 2 plus ab. Okay, so a minus b is equal to 8. and a raised to 2 plus b raised to 2 is equal to 162. Okay, so in this case, no, AB is not given to us. Okay, so we can't solve this using a 10th identity. Okay, so we to find AB, no, we need to find what we need to find first AB. Okay, so that how we'll find using second identity. Using second identity, a minus b whole square is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. A minus b is equal to 8 square. Okay, so is equal to a plus b will be how much? 162. Okay, so that I will substitute 162 minus 2ab. Okay, so 8 square will be what? 64. Okay, 64 minus 162 is equal to minus 2ab. So if I subtract, I will get minus 98. Okay, is equal to minus 2 upon AB. So that 2, no, minus 2 I will take on other side. Okay, so it will go in division. So minus minus will cancel. Okay, so 2 ones are 2, 4. Okay, 2 4s are 8. Okay, and 1 will remain. So 2 9s are. Okay, so AB will be 49. Okay, so that I will substitute in that equation 10. Okay, so directly I will substitute. Okay, so is equal to a minus b is how much? 8. Okay, and a square plus b square is how much? 162. And ab, how much we got? 49. Okay, so after adding 162 plus 49, no, so it will be how much? 211. Okay, and after multiplying 8 multiplied by 211, I will get the final answer 1688. That will be your final answer. If an angle is 1/5 of its supplement, then the greater angle is. Question number 14. No, let the angle be x. Let the greater angle be 180 minus x. 180 why I put? Because it is a supplement angle. Okay, so my first angle will be x and second angle will be 180 minus x. Okay, in a question they have given us if an angle is, okay, angle means what? X. No, we don't know what angle. Okay, is 1/5. Okay, 1/5 of its supplement. Okay, so 1 is equal to 1 upon 5 and supplement angle will be what? 180 minus x. Okay, so x 5 is in denominator over here. Okay, if it goes on other side it will go in multiplication. So 5x is equal to 180 minus x. Okay, this minus x, if I taken on other side it will be plus. Okay, so 5x plus x is equal to 180. So 6x is equal to 180. If I take 6 on other side it will go in division. So x is equal to 30. The greater angle will be 180 minus x. Okay, so the final answer will be 150. If the angle of a triangle are in a ratio of 2:3:4, then the greatest angle is, okay, so which is the ratio is greatest over here? 4 is your greatest ratio. Okay, so the greatest angle will be 4. Okay, so but for this, no, I have to write what angle sum property of triangle is what? Angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 is equal to 180. So my first angle will be 2x, second angle will be 3x, and third angle will be 4x. Okay, the first angle will be 2x, and second angle will be 3x, and third angle will be 4x. Okay, so I will add them. Okay, so 2x plus 3x plus 4x is equal to 1. Why? Because angle sum property of a triangle. Okay, after adding, no, I will get 9x is equal to 180. If I take 9 on the other side it will go in division. Okay, if I cancel 9 ones are 9, 2s are 18 and 0. Okay, so x is equal to 20. So we need to find the greatest angle. So my 4 is the greatest ratio. Okay, so 4 multiplied by x. Okay, so 4 is equal to 4 multiplied by 20. So the answer will be 80. 4x is equal to 4 multiplied by 20 and is equal to 80. Question number 16. If length of a rectangle is 15 and its breadth is 7 less than its length. Okay, so breadth will be what? 15 minus 7. Okay, and then is diagonal. Okay, so we need to find a diagonal. Okay, students, now I have drawn a rectangle. Okay, So my length was given as 15 centimeter, okay, and what they have told us the breadth is 7 less than its length, okay. So 15 minus 7 will be how much? 8 centimeter, okay. So this becomes what, like it becomes a triangle, no, triangle what, ABC, okay. So here at angle B, no, it will be a 90. So I can use what? Pythagoras theorem I can use over here, okay. So using Pythagoras theorem, okay, so which will be your hypotenuse side? Side which is opposite to the 90, okay. So AC square is equal to other two sides square, okay. So AB square plus BC square, okay. So AC square is equal to, what is your AB? Your AB is your 8 centimeter, okay, and BC is how much? 15 centimeter, okay. So after I have to write 15 square plus 8 square, okay. So I will get 225 and what? Plus 64. If I add, I will get how much? 289, okay. And AC square it is. If I take square on the other side, it will become what? Root, okay. Root 289. So AC is equal to 17 centimeter. Question number 17. In triangle PQR, angle Q is equal to 90. Sin P is equal to 2 root 3 and cos P is equal to 5 root 3. Then tan P. So what is the definition of tan? Sin upon cos. Tan P is equal to sin P upon cos P, okay. The value of the tan P was given 2 root 3 and value of cos P was given 5 root 3, okay. Root 3 and root 3 will cancel and the final answer will be 2 upon 5. Question number 18. If sin 2a plus 40 is equal to cos bracket 2a plus 20, where a is an acute angle, then a is, okay, we need to solve this, okay. Okay, sin bracket 2a plus 40 is equal to cos a plus 20, okay. So now here sin and cos are there, on one side is sin is there, one side is cos is there, okay. So I need to convert cos into sin. So it's the I will use complementary angles, okay. So sin 2a plus 40 is equal to sin bracket 90 minus theta. No, what will be my theta? Theta will be a plus 20. So I will write here a plus 20, okay. So then what I did, sin 2a plus 40 is equal to sin 90 minus 20, okay. Then I have written only angles only, okay, comparing only angles, okay. 2a plus 40 is equal to 90 minus a minus 20. So 2a, okay, 90 minus 20 will be how much? 70, okay. And that 40 I have taken on other side. Before it was plus, if it goes on other side it will be minus, and minus a, no, on the other side if I take it will be plus. So 2a plus a is equal to 70 minus 40. So 2a plus a will be 3a, so is equal to 30. So final answer of a will be 10. Question number 19. Assertion: if x minus y is equal to 0, then x raised to 3 minus y raised to 3 is equal to 0, okay. This is which identity? This is a seventh identity, okay. So assertion is also true, R is also true, okay. So both option A, okay, both assertion and reason are true, and reason explain assertion completely, okay, for question number 19, okay. Now question number 20. If the line segment AB and CD bisect each other at O, then triangle AOC is equal and congruent to triangle BOD, okay. This is correct, okay. Okay, reason: the triangles are congruent by RHS congruence rule. Okay, did they mention anywhere there is a right angle perpendicular something in the assertion? No, they have not mentioned. Okay, so assertion is correct and reason is false. Okay, so your correct option will be for question number 20 will be C.